This is the records of daily temperature for October. We want to find the average for today's temperature on 1st of October. So we can use the formula average, and we click the cell ranges here where we want to find the average temperature for 1st of October. And the highest temperature, we can use the max formula to find it. And the cell ranges that we want to find is here. So we select the cell range. So 28.7 is the lowest temperature that is the highest temperature that we have in this row. And the lowest, we will use mean formula to find the lowest number. This is the cell ranges that we want. We select them. And indeed, 27.5 is the lowest temperature. And range, how do we find range? There is no formula for range. We have to use calculation from the highest minus away the lowest will be range. And the median, we use the formula median, and the cell ranges that we want is here. So we select the cell ranges and it will give us the middle temperature, 27.7 here. And how do we find the mode, the most frequently occurring temperature? So we use the formula mode.sngl and select the cell ranges, and now we have to select this column because it is finding the most frequently occurring temperature at Changi area. So we select this column and it gives us the mode for this area in Changi. Now we have the formula done correctly, and we can drag down each of the column to propagate the formula. We can propagate the formula because they are using relative cell references. In the next lesson, we will look at absolute cell referencing. We are dragging this horizontally is because the formula is here and we want to propagate them in this row. That's all for now.